Cybersecurity is experiencing explosive growth worldwide. Last year alone, India detected over 369 million cyber attacks, which means more than 700 attacks every single minute. This relentless surge in threats has made cybersecurity one of the most critical fields in technology today. Companies are scrambling to find skilled professionals who can protect their valuable data and digital assets. As the digital world expands, so does the need for experts who can defend against increasingly sophisticated attacks. If you're considering a career in this field, now is the perfect time to start your journey. Cybersecurity professionals are among the highest paid in the tech industry. Mid-level roles can earn between 8 to 20 lakhs, while senior experts can command salaries up to 50 lakhs. The market is booming, with projections showing it will exceed $20 billion by 2030. Despite this growth, there's a massive skill gap. Companies are eager to hire, but there simply aren't enough qualified experts. This means that those who invest in the right skills now will be in high demand, enjoying both job security and impressive compensation as the field continues to expand. One of the best things about cybersecurity is that your background doesn't matter. Whether you come from engineering, arts, commerce, or any other field, you can break into this industry if you have the passion and determination. The field values skills and problem-solving abilities over degrees. With the right roadmap and dedication, anyone can become a cybersecurity specialist. Let's walk through the 7-step learning path that will guide you from beginner to top 1% professional, regardless of where you're starting from. Journey begins with mastering IT foundations. If you're from a non-technical background, start by learning how to troubleshoot computers, install software, and set up Wi-Fi networks. These basic skills are essential for building a strong base in technology. Understanding hardware, operating systems, and basic configurations will make it easier to grasp more advanced concepts later. Think of this as laying the groundwork for your cybersecurity career, ensuring you're comfortable with the tools and systems you'll be protecting. Next, dive into networking. Understanding how data moves across networks is crucial for any cybersecurity professional. Focus on the OSI model, TCP/IP protocols, and common communication methods like HTTP and HTTPS. Learn how to configure firewalls and set up VPNs to secure data in transit. Mastering these concepts will help you identify vulnerabilities and protect against network-based attacks. Networking forms the backbone of cybersecurity, so invest time in building a solid understanding. Operating systems are the foundation of every computer system. To excel in cybersecurity, you must be comfortable with both Linux and Windows environments. Learn about file systems, permissions, user management, and background processes. Understanding how these systems work will help you detect and respond to threats more effectively. Practice using command line tools and managing system resources. This knowledge is essential for both defensive and offensive security roles. Coding is a powerful skill in cybersecurity. Python is especially valuable for automating repetitive tasks and analyzing data. Combine Python with Bash or PowerShell scripting to make your workflows more efficient. Automation not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. Start with simple scripts and gradually build more complex automation tools. These skills will set you apart and make you a more effective security professional. The core of cybersecurity are fundamental principles like the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These concepts guide how you protect data and systems. Study common attack types such as phishing, malware, and DDoS attacks. Understanding these threats will help you design better defenses and recognize suspicious activity. Building a strong foundation in security fundamentals is essential for every cybersecurity professional. Offensive security is all about protecting systems from attacks. Join the blue team and learn to monitor logs, detect suspicious activity, and respond to incidents. Tools like Cisco CyberOps are essential for tracking threats in real time. You'll need to analyze data, identify patterns, and act quickly to prevent breaches. Defensive skills are in high demand as organizations strive to stay ahead of cyber criminals. Offensive security, also known as red teaming, involves simulating attacks to find weaknesses before real hackers do. As an ethical hacker, you'll use tools and platforms like TryHackMe or HackTheBox to practice penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. This proactive approach helps organizations strengthen their defenses. Offensive skills are highly valued and can lead to exciting career opportunities in ethical hacking and penetration testing. Certifications are a great way to validate your skills and stand out to employers. For beginners, start with CompTIA Security Plus or the Google Cyber Security Professional Certificate. These credentials cover essential concepts and demonstrate your commitment to the field. They're widely recognized and can help you land your first job in cybersecurity. Deepen your networking knowledge. Pursue certifications like CompTIA Network Plus or Cisco's CCNA. These programs teach you advanced networking concepts, protocols, and troubleshooting techniques. They're highly respected in the industry and will help you build a strong technical foundation for your cybersecurity career. For those interested in defensive roles, the Cisco CyberOps Associate certification is a top choice. It covers monitoring, threat detection, and incident response. Earning this credential shows employers that you're ready to protect their systems and respond to real-world threats. If you're drawn to offensive security, consider certifications like EJPT or CompTIA Pen Test Plus. These programs focus on ethical hacking, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessment. They're ideal for those who want to specialize in red team operations and ethical hacking. Cybersecurity isn't just about technology, it's about protecting people, businesses, and society from digital threats. Every day, cyber attacks target individuals and organizations, aiming to steal data, disrupt operations, or cause harm. By building your skills in this field, you're helping to create a safer digital world for everyone. Despite the growing demand for cybersecurity professionals, there's a significant skill gap in the industry. Many companies struggle to find qualified candidates, which means opportunities abound for those who invest in learning. By following the right roadmap, you can position yourself as a top candidate in this competitive field. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. New threats and technologies emerge all the time, so continuous learning is essential. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and best practices by joining online communities, attending webinars, and pursuing advanced certifications. Lifelong learning will keep you ahead of the curve. Networking with other professionals is key to success in cybersecurity. Connect with peers, mentors, and industry leaders through conferences, online forums, and social media. Sharing knowledge and experiences will help you grow and open doors to new opportunities. Theory is important, but hands-on practice is essential for mastering cybersecurity. Use platforms like TryHackMe and HackTheBox to simulate real-world scenarios and test your skills. Practice makes perfect, and these exercises will build your confidence and expertise. Technical skills are vital, but soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving are equally important in cybersecurity. You'll often work with diverse teams and need to explain complex issues to non-technical stakeholders. Developing these skills will make you a more effective and valued professional. Ethical behavior is the cornerstone of cybersecurity. As a professional, you'll have access to sensitive information and powerful tools. Always act with integrity, respect privacy, and follow legal guidelines. Ethical hackers help organizations by identifying vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. Cybersecurity offers diverse career paths, from analyst and engineer roles to management and consulting. As you gain experience, you can specialize in areas like threat intelligence, incident response, or security architecture. The field rewards continuous learning and offers opportunities for advancement. Many cybersecurity roles offer flexible work arrangements, including remote work and flexible hours. This allows professionals to maintain a healthy work-life balance while pursuing a rewarding career. The field values results and expertise over rigid schedules. Cybersecurity is an inclusive field with growing opportunities for women. Organizations are actively encouraging diversity and supporting women through mentorship programs, scholarships, and networking events. Diverse teams bring fresh perspectives and drive innovation in the industry. The cybersecurity industry is well suited for remote work. Many roles can be performed from anywhere with a secure internet connection. This flexibility allows you to work for global companies and collaborate with teams around the world, expanding your career possibilities. The demand for cybersecurity professionals continues to rise as digital transformation accelerates. Every industry, from finance to healthcare, needs experts to secure their systems and data. This widespread need ensures strong job prospects and career stability. Cybersecurity is a global field. Skills and certifications are recognized internationally, allowing you to pursue opportunities in different countries. Whether you want to work abroad or collaborate with international teams, your expertise will open doors worldwide. Innovation is at the heart of cybersecurity. New tools, techniques, and strategies are developed constantly to stay ahead of cyber threats. Embracing innovation and staying curious will help you thrive in this fast-paced environment. Finding a mentor can accelerate your growth in cybersecurity. Experienced professionals can provide guidance, share insights, and help you navigate challenges. Seek out mentors through professional networks, online communities, or industry events. As you progress, you can specialize in areas like cloud security, application security, threat intelligence, or digital forensics. Specialization allows you to focus on your interests and become an expert in a niche area, increasing your value in the job market. Showcase your skills by building a portfolio of projects, certifications, and hands-on labs. Document your learning journey and share your achievements on professional platforms like LinkedIn. A strong portfolio demonstrates your expertise to potential employers. The journey to becoming a top cybersecurity professional can be challenging, but staying motivated is key. Set clear goals, celebrate small wins, and remember why you started. Surround yourself with supportive peers and keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. When you're ready to enter the job market, use targeted strategies to stand out. Tailor your resume, highlight relevant skills, and prepare for technical interviews. Leverage your network and seek referrals to increase your chances of landing your dream job. Interviews for cybersecurity roles often include technical assessments and scenario-based questions. Practice explaining your thought process, solving problems on the spot, and demonstrating your hands-on skills. Confidence and preparation will help you succeed. Build your professional brand by sharing insights, writing articles, and participating in industry discussions. A strong online presence can attract recruiters and showcase your expertise to a wider audience. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Don't be discouraged by setbacks, use them as opportunities to grow. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Every mistake brings you closer to mastery. Balancing learning, work, and personal life requires good time management. Set a study schedule, prioritize tasks, and avoid burnout by taking regular breaks. Effective time management will help you stay productive and motivated. Cyber threats evolve rapidly, so staying updated is crucial. Follow industry news, subscribe to security blogs, and participate in webinars to keep your knowledge current. Being proactive about learning will help you anticipate and counter new threats. As you grow in your career, consider giving back to the community. Mentor newcomers, contribute to open-source projects, or share your knowledge through talks and articles. Helping others strengthens the cybersecurity community and enhances your own skills. A successful cybersecurity professional balances theoretical knowledge with practical experience. Study the concepts, but also apply them in real-world scenarios. This combination will make you a well-rounded and effective expert. Your online presence can be a powerful tool for career growth. Create a professional profile, share your achievements, and engage with the cybersecurity community on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. A strong personal brand attracts opportunities. Familiarize yourself with essential cybersecurity tools like Wireshark, Nmap, Metasploit, and Splunk. These tools help you analyze networks, identify vulnerabilities, and respond to incidents. Mastery of industry-standard tools is a must for any professional. A deep understanding of cyber threats is essential. Study different types of malware, social engineering tactics, and advanced persistent threats. Knowing how attackers operate will help you design stronger defenses and respond effectively to incidents. Understanding legal and compliance requirements is crucial in cybersecurity. Familiarize yourself with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and local data protection laws. Compliance ensures organizations operate within the law and protects user privacy. By following this comprehensive 7-step roadmap, you'll be well on your way to joining the top 1% of cybersecurity professionals. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow. The world needs skilled defenders. Your journey starts now.